Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey girls, hey bulls, how you guys doing? So today guys, I'm coming up to you with this kind of fox effortless eye-ish situation going on my face. So I use one eyeshadow palette to achieve this eye look super booming. I decided to go for a dark bold lip. It has been a minute since I do a bold dark lip and I'm loving the way everything turned out. Now the products I use are going to be listed down below. Okay, at this season we are right now, we are in effortless makeup look for summer. All right, you got me. You're in. I hope this video is going to be helpful and useful to you as well. Feel free to recreate my looks. No got no feeling, mama got no worries. Okay, without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this, how I achieve or come up anyways, how I achieve this eyebrows, eye look and lip combo, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. She's feeling herself. You guys know when my makeup is playing along, I'm doing the most all over the place and I love it. Anyways, take care, love you, ciao. Mwah. Guys, what do you do? So I'm just going to go straight ahead and start to do my brow. I'm going to be taking the ABH Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. Just go to my eyebrows and take my spoolie, just blend my brow into place. 6+ eyeliner brush. I'm just going to fill in my brow. Firstly, I'm going to start from the bottom. This eyebrow pomade is super dark, so I just had to be careful. Looks super dark now, but don't worry, I'm just going to use my setting powder just to kind of set it a little bit. Okay, baby, get her done. I think we are Gucci like this. So I'm just going to be taking my setting powder. I'm just going to take my spoolie and kind of brush through. Just brush it like so. So with that, it's not going to look super dark. It's going to look a little bit realistic, just a little bit. Okay, when you have a foresight, you will know this is not a real eyebrow, period. In my right eye, I don't know what's that. I need to check. I have inside my eyes, I don't really know. So guys, taking my Loaér concealer, I'm just going to clean my eyebrows. Apply a little bit concealer on my eye. That is going to be my eyeshadow base. I'm going to be taking my brush. I'm going to blend out. I'm just going to dab, blend out. Firstly, blend out the edges. Honey, the edges, baby girl. The edges is very important. So now we dig it in. No, blend the edges of the other side first. Before you dig it in the middle lead. Dab, 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 dab. Let's dab, 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 dab. With our nose. Yeah. So. And take my beauty blender and set that very softly. Set it just a bit. Just a bit. So guys, to achieve this eye look, I'm going to be taking the Douglas Palm Springs. So I'm going to be taking this shade. I forgot to mention it the other day. This palette came with the brush, but I don't think for now I'm going to be needing the brush. Lastly, I'm going to be taking this Best Up fluffy brush. I'm just going to be taking this beautiful shade called Tender. This shade right here is called Tender, all over my eyelid. This shade called Sand. This shade right here is called Sand. I'm going to be tapping. I'm not blending, I'm just tapping, okay? This Loaér brush, and I'm dipping in my brush into this shade called Darker, this shade right here. I'm going to apply that right on my lash band area. At the same time, just kind of fluff it out a little bit. Fluff it out. Go ahead once again with my brush, I just jab that around. Just dab. You see me do? Just dab. Tender. I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. Okay, yes. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. It looks a little bit tricky, but don't worry, it's a very effortless situation tutorial. Okay, and line my eye, I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio. Firstly, I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to go in with the brush that came with this palette. I'm going to be taking this shade called Darker, this shade right here. I'm just going to smoke out what I can smoke out. You know how we do it. Right there. You see how we do it, baby girl? We ain't joking here. I'm loving this look, like seriously guys, I'm really loving it. Must be a little bit dramatic tradition eye look for summer. All right, so that is what we're doing. Baby girls. As you can see, I leave my lash band bare because I don't want to apply anything right there, but I just want this line to be more pronounced, if that makes sense. Just love it. Just love it. Just something different, not always the same thing. I love it. Like seriously guys, how do I come up with this look? I saw this look on one of my Vogue magazine, and it has been on my mind for a minute. I say, okay, maybe I will give it a try, even if it's not coming out the way I saw it, but still a little bit, you know, a little bit different. I'm going to be taking this Emeda lashes. This is how it looks like. It's right here. Do it. Yes, baby girl. Bring it in the lashes from Emeda. Yes. Baby girl, you are doing the job. She's popping, you see that? That's called Coachella. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with that. Let's see how it's going to appear right there. Yes, that was just a try. Yeah, you see that? My goodness. I'm taking my Emeda brow gel, just going to set my brow. Note to your place, to stay in my place, to stay in my zone. So I'm going to be taking this MAC lip liner. This one is Night Moon. So for lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Flomaer long wearing lipstick, and this one is in L10. L10. But if you want matte, you can still go ahead and apply some setting powder, or you want to leave it just like that, or apply any lip gloss. Just do what makes you happy, boo. Put your lips in place. Yeah, for me, I'm going to leave it like so. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. I'm going to be right back, remove my tie, and I'm coming. Don't go nowhere, stick around, mama is coming. Okay.
Relationships